First Warning Weather with Jim Spencer.
I hope you folks don't get tired of this daily update, but a year ago today, we had been 100 degrees or hotter 36 times. This summer so far, 0. I love it every day that I can continue to say that. 93 today, nowhere near 100. That was the high at Camp Mabry, thanks to some very early morning rain right over Austin, and then some early to mid-morning rain over western Travis County that sent a little cooler air in. Held our temperature down today significantly. 95 at ABIA, a little closer to average. Half an inch of rain at Camp Mabry today. How about that? Our monthly total is now 2.4 inches, so if it doesn't rain another drop between now and August 1, July is officially going to be a wetter than average month for Austin. Our average monthly total in a typical July is just under 2 inches. And look at the airport, almost 4 inches of rain this month. Lake Buchanan not changing any today, still 2 feet below average. And Lake Travis, going to be a great weekend to be out on the lake. Maybe a shower on Sunday here and there, but I'm not expecting any tomorrow. It's 4 feet above its average elevation. Tonight, skies are mostly clear. It's a warm night, 83 degrees out there right now, feeling a little closer to 90 with the high humidity. By the time you wake up in the morning, 74, maybe some brief overcast, and then partly cloudy by noon and 88, and our high tomorrow 95. And notice the absence of showers in our planning forecast for Saturday. I think it's just going to be a hot day. Temperatures right now in the low 80s to the east, low to mid 80s metro area, and mainly low 80s out in the hill country. In Austin right now it's 83 and mostly clear. At the airport, mostly clear, also 83 degrees. Pretty humid, not much wind, about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Sunrise in the morning, 6:44. Mole count high today at over 2,500, and it's likely to be high again pretty much all weekend. Around the state, temperatures in the 80s almost everywhere. 79 in Laredo, 78 degrees out in El Paso. The showers we saw today associated with daytime heating primarily have all dissipated tonight. Notice the absence of activity off to the east. There is a disturbance moving our way that we will be on the outer perimeter of tomorrow, and I think that will keep us rain-free because the air outside of a low is sinking. However, on Sunday, that disturbance will be close enough that we have a better chance of some scattered showers returning to the area once again. And it has nothing to do with Bonnie. Bonnie, a tropical depression tonight, moving off the west coast of Florida and into the Gulf of Mexico, and just doesn't look like much of anything. In fact, it's this little upper low out here that's kind of disrupting any organization Bonnie might be getting going here tonight. And the National Hurricane Center says it's entirely possible this thing will never become a tropical storm again. I think they're erring on the side of caution by calling it a tropical storm tomorrow evening, as it is right over the oil slick. But again, this is a minimal tropical storm with 40-mile-per-hour winds, not a real big deal. It should track right up the mouth of the Mississippi, very near New Orleans, and then, of course, start dying out as it moves inland there over Louisiana. Now, this is the upper low, kind of impacting the oil spill area, or not the oil spill area, but the tropical depression just a little bit. It looks good in the water vapor imagery. It's not real strong, but maybe enough to bring us a rain shower on Sunday. And then beyond that, a ridge of high pressure that usually sits on Texas in the summer, it's over the east again. Another eastern heat wave, which means we'll continue to have slight rain chances through much of next week. And not going to get 100 next week either, I don't think. Lows tonight in the mid-70s, highs tomorrow in the mid-90s. In Austin tonight, let's go 74. Some low clouds coming in toward morning, and then 95 and mostly sunny tomorrow. So your Saturday looks dry and hot, 95. Sunday, let's go 20%. Rain chance returning. But a 30% chance on Monday that upper low will be right on top of us. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, with that big subtropical high gone, we could see a rain shower on any given day and nowhere near 100.